Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing yet another Apple Watch. This time it's my husband's watch. So he decided to go with the Nike version of the sports watch, and it's the bigger face than the one that I was unboxing. So this is the 45mm. And we'll have a look inside. He went with a completely opposite color to me. So he's gone with the white strap and a black face. The thing with that one is that we had to, it's not like a straight out of the box order, so we had to go into the store and say, I want this strap with this head, and then they match them, I think, and put them in the box. So you can see that when I open the main box, there's two different boxes there. So I'm assuming all they do is just switch out the boxes that are supposed to go into it. Yeah, so that's also good to know that you can mix and match. I think it depends on the stock in the store, obviously. We bought this one in a store, but I don't know if you can mix and match online or not. But it's a good idea because then you can just get a customized watch. He didn't want I think the white one comes with I can't remember the color, the white head, but I think it comes with the white face. And he felt that the black one would be a bit more practical. And also we both worried about like glare from white, like if you're in the sun a lot, whether that white reflects back. So just decided to go with the black face instead. And here we are. So when you open the box, it comes in a little satchel. That's just, I think, a few instructions, brief instructions, etc. Packaging's always nice on these watches, as I said in the other video. Yeah, it's always nice to look at the design, and I just love the way the graphic designers work the box, and just the graphics, the colors. It's always very well thought out and cleverly packaged as well. So this cord that you're seeing me unbox here is I can't remember the name, but it's a MagSafe type cord, and it goes into USB-C. So it's the new generation of, I guess, charging ports that Apple's using. If you've got the new MacBooks and iMacs, etc., that's the way they're going as well. That charger is really fast. I think it does something like 45 minutes, to get it to 80%, something like that, which is really good. So if your watch is running low, which it fairly does with mine, like it will last the whole day usually, you can just pop it on and really quickly you'll get, half of its charge back. There are all the sensors there that you can see. So when you're wearing that on your hand, it emits some lights that, I don't know, bounce off your skin, or I don't know how it works, but yeah, so down at the back there is where all those things are happening. And of course, this one is the Series 7 watch. So it does the ECG measurement and also the blood oxygen levels, which I've been using on mine, and they seem pretty accurate. If the band's not on properly, like if you've got it a bit too loose, you can get a funny reading. But generally, I'm getting like pretty close to the 100% oxygenation if I'm, holding the strap, if the strap's on correctly and I'm, sitting in the right position to do it. So it seems pretty accurate, although I think it's not a medical grade, sensor. I'm not sure actually, but yeah, I think it's just for more personal use from what I understand. And here is the strap, so a separate box, and I really love this strap. This is one of my favorites. Just a little bit of paperwork that comes with it. We were a bit worried about going with the white strap just because of wear and tear and dirt, but filming this voiceover a little bit in the future, and I can tell you it's been going okay, and it hasn't got dirty or anything. It wears pretty well. So again, the strap comes with two different lengths. So you get the top bit is just the one length, and then you get, depending on your wrist size, you can use either the big one or the shorter one. and my husband's got a bigger wrist than me, so I will show you the bigger one. And this is like it's different to if you watch my video of my watch that I just put up recently, you could see that there's no holes in the band. So I think this is still called a sports band. I can't remember the name of it, but those holes really do make a difference. I've tried it, and I don't know, it keeps you cooler. So I think I may change over to that kind of watch band for me as well. And of course there's many different bands you can get, but the beauty of this one is that it's, as soon as you get in water, as soon as you come out and just dry it off, or shake whatever the water off it, it's basically dry, so it doesn't waterlog in any way, which is great. If like the other day I was in the rain and just a quick wipe and it's all good. It does make a difference. I think the other ones that are sort of more material like or leather like, that would be an issue, but they do look pretty cool. So I guess in time maybe you should an Apple Watch user probably has a couple of different bands to go with different occasions, or you can see that band on me there is quite big. But yeah, that's how it looks on the hand. And yeah, that leads us to the end of this unboxing video. I can make more watch videos if you like, but yeah, otherwise I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye.